Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Binance account to another wallet. And for that you need to open up your Binance account and then go to your wallet and go to fiat and spot wallet. And here suppose we want to send BNB to our MetaMask wallet, or you can just choose any other wallet. We are taking a MetaMask as an example. So suppose we want to send BNB to MetaMask wallet, so we will select withdraw on Binance account. And here, since we are not sending it to Binance user, we are sending it to MetaMask, we need an address over here. So we will go to our MetaMask, and here we will select the network to Binance Smart Chain. It will basically change. Then we will copy our address and paste it over here. And since it is a Binance Smart Chain, because we just changed it and it automatically got selected over here, and after that we will just type the amount that we want to send and then click on withdraw, and after that our BNB from Binance will be transferred to our MetaMask account. And this is how we transfer money from our Binance account to another wallet. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.